The exclusive functions and utilities of the MODICIA OS Extra Menu commercial version are Research Assistant AI personnel and the AI chatbots. An app image catalog with over 1,300 applications. The link for the support form valid for 12 months and for 12 support emails. The utility to search for royalty-free, high-resolution images for your projects. With just one click you can automatically download and install over 2,500 fonts for your creative projects. Automatic installation of WineHQ and start of the first configuration, in case you need to use software or plugins for Windows in Linux. If necessary, real-time assistance via Telegram can be activated with a subscription. You have PhotoRec at your disposal to recover files deleted or lost by mistake. on hard disk or any other solid system. If necessary, you can activate real-time remote desktop assistance with a subscription. Problems will be resolved in real time before your eyes. A folder will automatically be created for the cloud service with all the permissions necessary for operation. In addition to that, there is a tool to change all the permissions of the folder and the files contained in it, in order to use them as a normal user. And of course also the graphical interface to configure and manage your personal cloud. You have a direct link to the best site you could wish for to download high-definition videos for your projects, royalty-free of course. For music creators who need the kernel in real time, as always, one click is enough to start the automatic installation and deployment procedure. Upon reboot, you can choose which kernel to use according to your needs. To be able to use programs in real-time kernel, they must have user permissions and add you to the real-time group. Naturally, in MODICIA OS everything happens with just one click of the mouse. A fantastic app image manager that will allow you to download, install and launch your favorite app image applications. A direct link to the online translator, to help you with texts and subtitles in various languages. You can immediately update your system before starting a major project, without entering a single text command.